In this video, we will be exploring ChEnvel, or ChEnvel, a curated bioactivity database containing information of bioactive molecules with drug-like properties. We will also be exploring Enzyme, a repository of information on enzymes, and finally Brenda, another comprehensive enzyme database. Specifically, we will be searching our protein sequence to find associated assays and ligand efficiency data, and exploring potential inhibitors and modulators of our protein. First, go to ChEnvel. You can type the UniProt ID of your protein here. I will be using P14916, or the urease protein complex for Helicobacter pylori. Hit enter. If you have more than one hit, look for the record with the same UniProt ID in the UniProt accessions column. Click on the ChEnvel ID to open the report card of your protein. On the report card page, you will notice on the right some quick access links. Here, you can find access to various information. We will be looking at the activity charts, so go ahead and click it. The activity charts section contains pie charts for associated bioactivities and associated assays. You can click on the charts to view the results in more detail. Similarly, navigate to ligand efficiencies using the quick access bar. You will see a graph plotting binding efficiency index to surface efficiency index. Each circle in this plot represents a ligand. These are clickable and will provide more details such as the structure, type, molecular weight, and more. The color of the circle represents the standard activity values in nanometers. Let's say we wanted to find more protein on the ligand with the highest binding efficiency index and highest surface efficiency index to our protein. Click on the circle to bring up its compound report card. Right-click on its ID to open the link in a new tab. In the Open tab, you will see the compound report card. Click on Structure Search. Now you will see the structure of the compound in an editor. Here, you can modify the compound structure and perform searches on the modified structure. We won't be modifying our compound. At the bottom, you can perform a conductivity search, similarity search, and substructure search. You can also modify the threshold values for the similarity like so. You can perform a substructure search by clicking on the substructure search button here. Note that this may take some time. After some time, you may see many substructures that are similar to your ligand. In the top left of this view, you can find further information on the compounds, such as heat map. And in the top right, you can download the structure of any checked compounds by clicking on the correct file format button. So if you wanted them all in a CSV file, you would click this. You can also use filters on the left to filter specific types of compounds or molecular weights, etc. And finally, you can select Browse Activities in the middle and Browse Drug Mechanisms to get even more information. That's it for ChEnvel. Next, we will be exploring Enzyme, a repository of information on enzymes, and Brenda, a comprehensive enzyme database. Go to Enzyme. Type in your protein name in the search bar here and hit search. Click on the EC number on the left of your enzyme. This will bring you to its Enzyme page. The Enzyme page is just an entry for an enzyme on the enzyme database. On this page, you will have hyperlinks to various protein databases for your enzyme. For now, we just want to access the Brenda hyperlink. Click on the EC number for the Brenda hyperlink to go to Brenda. On Brenda, you can find a lot of information on the enzyme. For instance, if we select enzyme ligand interactions, here, or expand it to see even more options, we can see what reactions our enzyme is involved in. We can also view the functional parameters to see values like the Km values, the pH optima, temperature optima, or ranges. You can also view enzyme structure information, just to name a few. That concludes this video. You should now know how to bring up information on your enzyme using the ChEnvel database, Enzyme, and the Brenda database. You should be able to see how many protein databases are interlinked and how they can be used to collect data on proteins, or more specifically, enzymes.